Creating MP4 videos ready for HTTP streaming. How can I convert some.flv, or some.avi, or some.wmv, with an NBSP, ffmpeg to be sure that this video will be playable and seekable in JW Player?
This is an answer to last comment by you at Abraham. You don't need the MP4 box of file to be able to sudo stream it via ngeeks. Be an NBSP, MP4 streaming module takes care of it irrespective of positioning of move atoms. MP4 box shifts the move atom to beginning of file. Now for the 500 server error, are you using frag option with MP4 box? MP4 streaming module can't read fragmented MP4 files. Good use of MP4 box for pseudo streaming is to interleave the videos for better seeking. Move atom shifting is an added advantage. I always do this to MP4 box and ffmpeg encoded file. This will also interleave the MP4 file in 500 milliseconds of chunks by default.
H.264 in MP4. Generally, you want to create X264 video within an MP4 container. This option is supported by basically any device and browser. The following should be enough. Make sure to replace input name and CRF options. The latter sets the quality, where same values range from 19 to 25 and NBSP, lower means better quality, but also higher bitrate. ffmpeg I input.avc column v lite 264 crf 23c column a AAC move flags fast start output.mp4. You can also use handbrake for encoding if you like the GUI way. Using the fast start option. Now, what you need to do is move the MP4 container's move atom to the beginning. This atom, in essence, a unit of data in the MP4 container, will contains important metadata about the video/audio streams themselves. Move flags fast start should do exactly that. If your ffmpeg version doesn't have this option, consider upgrading. If you cannot upgrade, you can achieve the same thing with any of the below tools. Index Swapper, an Adobe Air application. MP4 box, free and open source, running a command similar to the following, where you can change the interval, here, 500. MP4 box enter 500 input.mp4. Qt fast start in Python, which works everywhere where Python is installed. Fast start input.mp4. That's about it. Controlling bitrate, quality. Now, of course, for streaming you may actually want to constrain the bitrate to stay within certain bounds. You can read more about that in my blog post on rate control methods. For example, by adding max rate 2 meters, buffer size 2 meters, to the encoding options, you cap the encoding to 2 mbit/s, which may be sufficient for 720p video. The required bitrate will depend, of course, on how complex the content is. This takes some trial and error.
You can simply convert a non-streamable AVI or MP4, also without re-encoding everything, by doing this. ffmpeg I input.mp4 c copy move flags fast start streamable _output.mp4. There's no need to re-encode anything, because just the move atom has to be moved.
To add on to the other answers, if you have SRTs this will convert them for you too.
ffmpeg.